In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to Odoo. We'll go through the setup process directly from your Odoo dashboard, and the good news is that it's very quick. If you already have access to your Odoo backend and your Razorpay option is available in your system, this should only take a moment to complete. To get started, go to your Odoo dashboard and click on Settings. This is where Odoo keeps most of the platform-wide configuration options, including payment-related features. If you don't immediately see the option you need, that's completely normal, because there are many settings available in this area. Once you're in Settings, move to the search bar at the top of the page and type in Payment Terminals. Using the search bar is the fastest way to locate this section without having to scroll through multiple categories. After searching, open the Payment Terminals area so you can view the list of integrations that Odoo supports. At this point, you'll see the available payment terminals and services that can be connected to your Odoo system, including Razorpay. This list allows you to activate only the providers you want to use, which helps keep your payment setup organized and relevant to your business needs. Find Razorpay in the list, then check the box next to it to enable it. This tells Odoo that you want Razorpay to be available as a payment option in your system. After enabling it, click on Payment Method. Odoo will redirect you to the Payment Methods section, where you'll continue the setup by configuring your Razorpay account. This part is important because enabling the provider alone is not the same as fully connecting it. In the Payment Methods area, you'll need to complete the Razorpay configuration, so Odoo can communicate properly with your payment service. Take your time here and make sure the account details you enter are correct, since accurate configuration is essential for successful payment processing. And that's all there is to it. Once Razorpay has been enabled and configured from the Payment Methods section, your Odoo system is ready for the next stage of payment setup and use. If you're following along, just make sure your changes are saved and that Razorpay appears as active in your payment configuration. That's the full process for connecting Razorpay to Odoo.